Welcome to Control22. I'm Norgate, Managing Director of Predatar, and I'm delighted you've all chosen to join us today for this live stream. Today we've got a variety of industry experts and some really great speakers that are going to be talking to you about cyber resilience and giving you practical advice on the things that you can do to help boost your company's cyber resiliency in the scope of all your data backup and recovery. Now at Predatar we believe in 5 fundamentals. There are 5 key things that every business needs to do to be cyber secure. Throughout today's session we've got 5 very short, very entertaining videos that highlight those 5 fundamentals. See if you can spot them. Now I'm in York Road at IBM's London headquarters today in their lovely innovation centre. This was meant to be a physical event, but due to train strikes we've had to switch to virtual at the last moment. So I am actually in the venue myself. If you want to, maybe we can pan that camera around and show the packed audience that we're presenting to. Hi Ben. So you will be my interactive audience of 1. So as I say, I'm here at York Road at the Innovation Centre. Now if this had been a physical event, you would have all been here today. And what's great about this place is they've got some amazing experiences that you can actually partake in. Clearly we can't do that today. So what I think we'll do, if we can, I'm going to cut to this camera. We're going to go on a little sneak peek and we'll have a little tour around the Innovation Centre and I'll show you some of the cool exhibits. So want to watch the step and come this way? Well, hopefully get to see a few of the little exhibits that we've got. Okay, so first up here we've got Spot, the robotic dog. So Spot is used for a variety of use cases, everything from bomb disposal, whereas at IBM in this building, Spot's actually put to use. They use Spot for everything from keeping an eye on temperature, they use them to walk around and monitor fire extinguishers, and the plant room here, for example, if they need to go and do maintenance in their plant room and have to close that down, that costs money, it takes time to close down before a human can go in. They can send Spot in with his cameras to do the analysis, understand if any maintenance needs to be done without shutting the plant down, again saving time and money. So really a good use case of AI and machine learning in Spot the dog. Weather station here. This is all linked to, I don't know if you can see out there with the camera, just over out the window. That's London out there, which is actually looking nice and sunny for once, which is great. They've got live weather station out there feeding into this data bank here, and then this is linked into national weather systems, updating weather every 15 minutes compared to the national weather, which generally updates every 4 hours. So really accurate weather based on the various weather stations that IBM have. Come down this way, show you a little bit more if we can. This room might be dark, it is, but hopefully your camera can see. This is an experience room where they have projectors on the roof and they can project onto all the walls in 3D, and it's basically you can be in an interactive video. I think the video at the moment that they have is of the IBM Mayflower, which is the sustainable ship that they've got autonomously sailing around the world collecting data, showcasing IBM tech. Come down this way, I'll speed up a bit like Martin Brundle's grid walk, or for older people in the audience, challenge Annika. Here we've got a device called Proto. So this is a 3D cube that uses projection in 3D. That's actually a great example there with the IBM logo. What you can do with this is using webcams on your laptop, it can take you as a 2D image, present you as a 3D image, and then you can use this in meetings for people to meet virtually in more of a 3D space than just talking to a flat 2D picture on a webcam. So really clever piece of kit. Come down this way. Let's go down the corridor. One more thing I'd like to show you. So this is obviously a new innovation centre that's been opened in the last few months. A really, really lovely place. The final thing I want to show you, we just go past the trolley there. And I always want to talk quietly in here, but I don't need to. This is the IBM quantum computing room. And as you can see here, we can point the camera at that. We've got one of IBM's quantum computers. And we are going to hear from Adam, as I said before, who's going to talk to us about quantum computing and what that means in the fight against cybercrime. So I think that's it for the tour. Enjoy today's Control22.
Hello, I'm Tom. I'm a senior technical engineer at Predatar. I'm from Tucson, Arizona. Khái niệm mã hóa rất đơn giản nhưng mạnh mẽ. Về cơ bản, mã hóa là quá trình thay đổi các tệp kỹ thuật số từ một ngôn ngữ có thể hiểu được sang một ngôn ngữ hoàn toàn xa lạ. Hãy tưởng tượng, nếu tôi lấy một tập lệnh và thay đổi các từ sang một ngôn ngữ mà bạn không biết, trừ khi bạn có cách để dịch nó. Nếu không, nội dung sẽ vô nghĩa đối với bạn. Tôi có thể cho bạn biết ngày sinh của tôi, tên thời con gái của mẹ tôi, tên con vật cưng đầu tiên của tôi hoặc số an ninh xã hội của tôi, nhưng bạn sẽ không biết. Trừ khi bạn có phương tiện để giải mã nó, để chuyển nó trở lại ngôn ngữ mà bạn hiểu, thì điều đó sẽ vô ích. Bạn cần một thông dịch viên hoặc Google Dịch hoặc một từ điển song ngữ trước khi bạn có thể đọc được dữ liệu đó. Khái niệm mã hóa rất đơn giản nhưng mạnh mẽ. Về cơ bản, mã hóa là quá trình thay đổi các tệp kỹ thuật số từ một ngôn ngữ có thể hiểu được sang một ngôn ngữ hoàn toàn xa lạ. Hãy tưởng tượng, nếu tôi lấy một tập lệnh và thay đổi các từ sang một ngôn ngữ mà bạn không biết, trừ khi bạn có cách để dịch nó. Nếu không, nội dung sẽ vô nghĩa đối với bạn. Tôi có thể cho bạn biết ngày sinh của tôi, tên thời con gái của mẹ tôi, tên con vật cưng đầu tiên của tôi hoặc số an ninh xã hội của tôi, nhưng bạn sẽ không biết. Trừ khi bạn có phương tiện để giải mã nó, để chuyển nó trở lại ngôn ngữ mà bạn hiểu, thì điều đó sẽ vô ích. Bạn cần một thông dịch viên hoặc Google Dịch hoặc một từ điển song ngữ trước khi bạn có thể đọc được dữ liệu đó. With about 7,000 languages spoken in the world today, it wouldn't have been impossible to find the right key to decode my message. But with 256-bit encryption, there are literally billions of possibilities. It would take today's computers thousands of years to break the code. Professor Nibbles